Namaste. 26 this morning. Been up since 5. Sunday, 6th of December. And we've got some cooking happening. Need the food out the trails. Making some salmon, sweet potato. It's all I've got left over really. Making some coffee. And some avocado on cheese on the old last piece of lavash bread. All my housemates are asleep. Sorry if this woke you up. Got a special guest coming over in 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to start trekking down to Wollongong. How good. Alright, we arrived. It's 7:20. Took us a while to find the start. And here's my special guest. It's Lindy. Lindy's going to be a doctor in a week. It's so exciting. But we're walking to the Waddy Waddy trackhead from Stanwell Park. And we just got a great view. 14 k's ahead of us today. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's usually always a good thing. So I just slogged it up a hill for about 20 minutes to get this view back down to Stanwell Park. Very happy with that. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Yes. That's a great view. North Wollongong.
Isn't it Stanmore?
Stanmore? Stanwell?
One of them.
It's got park in it.
Stan lives there.
See that beach? I'm going to jump in that later. Committed. Lindy might. Had to go rewind. Lindy's prepared this one earlier. Look what we just stumbled upon. Oh. Wow. That is amazing. 45-minute drive from Sydney, and you can see this. You don't even have to drive, you can get the train. Whoops. When you see the horizon above a rock like this, you have to go and look at it. Lindy's already there. Far out, that is an amazing view. Whoa, crevasse, danger. Oh. Wow, how good is that? Certain death. The gong.
Beautiful.
Oh, Lindy's getting nervous because I'm on the edge. Don't push me because I'm close to the edge. I'm trying. That's cool. One o'clock, 14 kilometers done. It's been a really nice walk. There's been a lot of view spots. Similar to this one, but not quite as good. This is the Piece of Resistance. Is that a thing?
Sure.
Get a look at this one. Sitting on top of the gong. It's been really nice. Would you put one of these in your garden? Is it an emu, a cassowary, or a moa? Comment below.